Just like MetaMask, the Liquality Wallet enables users to interact with Web3 dApps by injecting Web3 code through your browser. Today I'm going to show you how to use the popular dApp Uniswap with the Liquality Wallet. For this tutorial, I'll be assuming you already have version 0.7.0 of the wallet or greater with some funds in it. So with that aside, let's go ahead and get started. First, we need to make the Liquality Wallet our default Web3 wallet. So let's navigate to the top right hamburger menu, click Settings, then toggle on Default Web3 Wallet. Now we're ready to begin interacting with Web3 dApps. Note that if we toggle this on, other browser wallets like MetaMask won't be able to interact with dApps, but of course we can always toggle this off whenever. Let's go ahead and connect our Liquality Wallet with Uniswap. On the Uniswap interface, I'm going to click Connect to Wallet. Here you'll see the injected option. Click on it to connect your wallet to Uniswap. Now you'll see this connection request. Before clicking Connect, make sure you're on the correct website because it'll be able to read your public addresses. Okay, now that we're connected, let's swap Tether for Maker. First, we need to approve Tether for Uniswap to work. Currently, this pop-up message isn't the most helpful and the team is working to approve it, so we appreciate your patience in the meantime. Here we can choose between slow, average, and fast options for our approved transaction. Let's go ahead with the fast option. Now that the approved transaction is confirmed, we're ready to swap. Let's use the fast option for this as well. Nice, it looks like the swap transaction is confirmed, so let's go to our wallet to see the updated balance. Now scrolling through the home screen, it doesn't look like Maker's here. We'll need to add it. So let's go to the hamburger menu again, then to Manage Assets. Here we can see a list of all the different tokens we can store in the wallet, some of which are still lacking icons. And in the coming weeks, we'll have the ability to add custom tokens. Let's search for Maker, toggle it on, click Done, and then navigate back to our home screen. Here we'll see the updated balance in Maker from our Uniswap transaction. And that's it. For ERC20 tokens that aren't yet available to atomic swap within the Liquality Wallet, we now have the ability to swap with decentralized exchanges like Uniswap using the new Web3 injection feature. In the coming weeks, users will have the ability to add custom ERC20 tokens, get better visibility on their total fee calculations, improved injection screen flows, etc. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe if you did, and follow us on Twitter for future updates. The download link for the wallet is also available in the description. And if you need support or have feedback for the wallet, make sure to contact us on our website at liquality.io. Thanks for watching.